is a tornado watch message. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 862, effective until midnight, Saturday. This watch includes the following counties: in Nebraska, Adams, Buffalo, Hull, Hamilton, Howard, Merrick, Nance, POLK, Sherman, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 862 has been issued from 6:45 p.m. until midnight, Saturday, for the following counties: in Nebraska, Adams, Buffalo, Hull, Hamilton, Howard, Merrick, Nance, POLK, Sherman, and York.